let's say you have $1,000 and you put your $1,000 inside of a savings account or a banking account, and in that year you go back and look at that $1,000 and you wonder how much you made on that $1,000. Probably not too much of nothing. Now, if you take that $1,000 and you invest it in, real estate or some type of stock or some type of bond, then you also, can make a profit. But then it depends on how quick the flip is. But if you investing your money into a project that actually have a 4 to 6 week turnaround, then you can actually see the investment of your money, and you can actually see some benefit of your money where you can put that profit that you made into your pocket and invest that $1,000 again. That's what I'm trying to do with HogOn Welding.